Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor B Beauty, and this video is going to be a hair tutorial. So I haven't done a hair tutorial on my channel in like years and years, but after a crazy year of hair, okay, the last time you might have seen me, I had blonde hair, okay, and I loved it. Was a moment. I loved it, okay, but I ruined my hair. I ruined my hair, okay? And I'm sad about it, okay? But whatever. So I had blonde for a moment and I decided to get rid of the blonde, go back black because it was damaging my hair. I damn near ruined my hair and I had to bring it back to life. So for the last couple months, I've been doing all 8 of the Olaplex treatments and trying to get my hair back together. I've clipped off quite a bit. And I just want the length back, okay? So I started looking into clip-ins and I found a Naya Vista, which is a hair collection, and it's owned by the Annihilator. I don't know if you guys are familiar with her from Vine, but she is a Vine OG, okay? She's moved her talents over to Instagram and now she does hair extensions. So she does bundles and clip-ins, and I decided to get some clip-ins from her. So I got the 24-inch straight clip-ins. This is how the hair comes naturally. So it is like not bone straight. So I want to straighten it a little bit and show you guys how I put it into my head. So the package, if you're interested in getting the item, the package comes with this little satin bag, and it comes with this elastic band. So after you, I think this is more for like lace fronts maybe, but after you lay your hair down, you can put this band around it. But I'm just using the clip-ins, so I don't need that band. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how I straighten it. Like, I'm just going to run the flat iron through it a little bit, and then I'm going to put it into my head and run the flat iron through the bits and pieces of my hair that I need. This hair right here is freshly washed, and then I blew it dry with my Revlon like brush dryer. I'm going to insert a picture right here if you guys haven't seen it before. But this has no flat iron, like no heat, flat iron heat has touched my hair. I'm going to use my Baby Bliss or Babyliss. How do you pronounce this? I'm going to use my Babyliss Pro Prima 3000 flat iron. This is my good girl, okay? And I'm just going to brush the hair a little bit like that, and then take a bit of it like this and just run my flat iron through it like that. I've seen Anaya use like a coat hanger. Like, I don't know if she sells it, but it's like a coat hanger and she like clips it onto stuff. This hair is human hair, so you can bleach it if you want. I'm not gonna bleach it obviously because I'm trying to have it blend in with my hair. I have not dyed it either, but it says that you can dye it, and I have this heat set on 340. I'm just going to flat iron this hair really quickly and show it to you when it's all flat. All right, y'all, so this is straight enough for me, and I'm going to just take the I've been holding the things together with like a rubber band or a ball, what do you call these, like a scrunchie? And here you see that there are 10 individual pieces. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my hair and I'm going to just take a little bit from the back and leave the back, a little bit from the back out. So I'm gonna turn around. This is what it would look like. So just this much of the back. Y'all, this is a freaking science, okay? So there's a 4 clip. I'm not gonna use that one yet. There's a 3 clip, which could fit. Let me try it. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the 3 clip. So there are clips on here. This is what it would look like from the front. And you just unclip all 3. I like to put the middle one in first, then the side, then the other side. Next, I'm gonna take a thin, so I think the biggest part is to take thin layers of your hair. So, like this. So now, this is what it would look like. And I'm gonna take another 3 clip. Again, I'm going to unclip the 3 like that. This is where it starts getting tricky, okay? So now I'm ready for the 4 part of my hair. So I'm gonna take all 4 and clip it in. So now I've got 1, 2, 3 clips into my head, okay? So that leaves 1 2-piece, 1, 2, ooh, okay. So that leaves 4 1-piece clips. It leaves 2 2-piece clips, and it leaves 1 3-piece clip. What am I gonna do? This is where it starts getting tricky. Okay. So now it's gonna look like this. All right. So now it looks like this. And I'm gonna put the 3-piece in. Okay. Now I'm going to put all of this to the back. And then I'm going to part my hair here. I'm going to start fitting in the 2-piece clips, okay? So I'm going to start down here. So start down here. And I'm going to put in a 2-piece clip, okay? 1, 2. Here. And 1 here. Then I'm gonna put 1 1-piece here and 1 1-piece here. Okay. Whew. All right. Okay. So now I have half of them in. And I'm going to put the other half in. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to part it here. I'm going to put the 2 clip. in here. That. I do one piece here. All right, sometimes it's a little tricky to pop these joints in. All right, I'm gonna put the last one piece clip in here. All 10 pieces are in my head, okay? So I'm gonna back up a little bit. That all 10 clips are in my head and it blends in really nicely. But I want it to be a little bit more sleek. So I'm gonna take my flat iron and I'm going to try to mesh my hair in with this other hair. Okay. And now you can see that I have all of it in and it blends really nicely. Okay. So this is how I would wear my clip-ins on, like, if I just want to run out for errands, or maybe, I don't know, like, honestly, it could be anything. And then if you want to brush your, like, baby hairs out or something, you can do that. This is what it looks like in the back. So as you can see, you can't see any of the clip-ins or any of the wefts or anything. All right, y'all, so that is how I style my 24-inch Naya Vista clip-ins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video so much. It was very easy, as you can see. I did it with you guys on camera. This is not sped up. It took me about 20 minutes to do. And that's because I'm still practicing too. So I know Anaya can do it in like 10 minutes and stuff like that. I'm still practicing, but this is what it looks like. It's thick all the way down also. Like I was scared that I was gonna need more than one bundle because I have a big head and my hair is, you know, whatever. So, but I didn't. I only needed one bundle. Next time I might want to get like 26 inches or something. I don't know. But I'm loving it. Loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment down below any other videos you guys might want to see from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.